Hey guys, welcome to Rohit's Tech World. In this video I will show you how to mine cryptocurrency using laptop or PC. To be specific, I am going to mine TRX cryptocurrency using Unmineable and WazirX. I will show you the proof of payment also. If you don't have WazirX or Unmineable app or software, I have provided the link in description. If you want to support me, you can use my redeem code, it's in description. So let's start without wasting much time. Open Google Chrome, type Unmineable and hit enter. Click on the download link. Click on the download. Note, turn off your antivirus and defender. Google may also prompt you with warnings saying it's a virus. But you can trust the software. Press Ctrl J to open Download Manager. Click on Keep Dangerous File. Keep anyways. Click on Show in Folder. Open the zip folder. Run the setup file. Unmineable software dialog box will get open. Click on Continue. Next, select the token you want to mine. In my case, I'm going to mine TRX. Now you have to enter your wallet address of that particular currency. I'm using WazirX wallet to store mined currency. So I have to copy the address from WazirX. Copy the address and paste it. As I was using it from before, the address is already available there. Don't copy my address, otherwise all the mined currency will get credited in my wallet. Then click on Start. Click on Stats to view your mining and payout details. As you can see, I have mined 15 TRX and took it in WazirX wallet. Mining has now started. Hashrate may vary depending on your graphics card. I'm using ASUS ROG Strix GTX 1650 Ti laptop and I'm getting 18.2 mega hash speed. Use my redeem code to support me. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe Rohit's Tech World.